Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain you the connections and operation of fluorescent lamp wiring. Under this, we are going to see the aim or objective, components required, circuit diagram, circuit operation, and applications. The aim or objective of this experiment is to prepare the wiring connection for a fluorescent lamp. The components required are single way switch, fluorescent lamp, choke, starter, fuse, and some connecting wires. So this is the basic circuit diagram indicating all the components like fuse, switch, choke, starter, and lamp. Now I will explain you how we are going to connect these components so that we can see the operation of a fluorescent lamp wiring. The first step is to connect the phase terminal of the supply to the one end of the fuse. The another end of the fuse is connected with one terminal of the switch. The other terminal of the switch is connected with the input side of the choke. The other end of the choke is connected with one end of the lamp. The starter is connected in parallel with the lamp, and the other end of the lamp is connected with the neutral of the input supply. Once these connections are over, we can connect this circuit with the single phase 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Now let us see the circuit operation. When the switch is made on, the circuit closes through the starter and the process of ionization starts inside the lamp. The choke plays a very important role in the ionization process, as it is giving high voltage to the filament so as to initiate the ionization process. During this period, the lamp flickers, and once the ionization process completed, the lamp glows brightly. So after the lamp glows brightly, if you remove the starter from the circuit, it won't affect the circuit anymore. Therefore, the purpose of starter is, during the starting, it is giving a closed path for the circuit, and once the lamp glows brightly, it won't play any role in the circuit. The applications are to illuminate the workspace like home, offices, etc. If you have any queries, you can send your queries to kgcenterforlearning@gmail.com, or you can send your queries in the comment box. Thank you.